Oh god, they're not wrestling anymore. What are you doing? What are you doing? What are you doing? Jeez, that booger. How did you get up this bed? It's huge. It's huge. It's like 4 feet tall. Jeez, that booger. Oh, is he biting your legs? Is he? Oh, no, he's not biting them legs, boy. Hey, you get out of it. A bad Oreo. You know lick her there. What are you doing? Don't you lick me. I'll punch you in the face. You just licked her no-no square. You clean your mouth, young man. You clean your mouth, young man. Look at that face. Look at that face. Boy, look at this dude. Look at this dude over here. Look at him. I'm glad the weight is a booger. Look at this dude right here. Just a booger. Look at him. Come on, guys. Come on. Boom, ba-doom. What's up, guys? Just recording a random ass video. There's probably gonna be called "My Dogs Are Crazy." Let's show you what it looks like outside. It looks beautiful outside. Nice and sunny. About let's see. Let's figure out 57 degrees. 57 degrees feels nice. Not cloudy at all. I like it. I like it, just a booger. Look at her lot. Look how shiny she is. She's a shiny puppy. Oh, tackle the poopies. Grab the Roro. Tackle him. I got you. I got you, Ori. Ray got 360. Ow! Ha! I'm stupid. I just hit my head on this stupid thingy. Hey, you shut your mouth, you little crab. What are you doing? I'm gonna get eaten. Oh no! Don't eat me, Mr. Roro! What's up, dude? What's up, dude? And boots and pants and boots and pants and boots and pants and boots and pants. That's gonna cut it off here, guys. I'll see you later, friends. And, have a wonderful day in the ocean. I don't think that's as cool as I thought it was gonna be. Hold on. I hope that was cool. Ready? 1, 2, 3.